and welcome to my channel. I'm going to be making for you a 3-ingredient smoothie, and this is by far my favorite drink to drink. I love juicing, love it, but this smoothie has been my staple for the last like 4 years. Okay, easy peasy to make, and as you know, I need good stuff, nutrition for my brain. Let's jump into the smoothie, shall we? Hey guys, so I'm just putting in my frozen bananas from my freezer, and I'm going to be using my frozen blueberries I got from Walmart, and also I'm going to be using the plant-based almond milk. And so I'm going to blend it, but I did have to go back and add in milk, blend a little bit, then add in a little bit more milk and blend it. So you won't see all that. But I think it's just so delicious, so beautiful. I drink it with a straw, and I also put it in like a mug or something, and kind of like eat it with a spoon. And sometimes I buy the on the go cups from Dollar Tree. There comes 6 in a pack for $1.25, and you're gonna see this at the end that I mean, it's just so nice when you could just make your own smoothie. You don't have to go out to one of these elaborate stores and spend $10 on a smoothie. You could just put it in this to-go container cup, put the lid on, smack a straw in there, and voila. But isn't that so beautiful? I just love it. Well, thank you so much for watching, and you all have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye now.